in addition to selecting the right EC2 instance type for your workloads. Another performance improvement you can apply to your instances is enhanced networking. The enhanced network offers expanded bandwidth, higher packet per second throughput, and reduced latencies between supported EC2 instances. This improvement is achieved through a device virtualization technique known as SRIOV or Single Root I/O virtualization, which results in higher I/O throughput and lower CPU utilization compared to traditional virtualized network interfaces. Although SRIOV is an advanced technical specification, its detailed discussion is beyond the scope of this course. Now, it is important to note that no additional charges are incurred for the use of enhanced networking and that all current generation instances, with the exception of T2 instances, support this functionality. Now, there are two main methods to enable an enhanced network. The first is through the use of the Elastic Network Adapter or ENA, which supports network speeds up to 100 GB per second on supported instance types. The second method is through the Intel 82599 Virtual Function Interface, which supports network speeds up to 10 GB per second on supported instance types. In addition to selecting a compatible EC2 instance type, it is also necessary to ensure that the instance's operating system supports enhanced networking. These can be Amazon Linux, Ubuntu, Red Hat, CentOS, among others. Once the enhanced networks are enabled, it is essential to monitor their performance. The Elastic Network Adapter driver publishes network performance metrics from the instances where they are enabled. These metrics can be useful for monitoring ENA performance, troubleshooting performance issues, and selecting the right instance size for your workload. So, let's look at how to determine if an EC2 instance has enhanced networking enabled. Here in my EC2 Instances panel, I select the EC2 ENA, Connect, and then Connect. This is a C5 large instance type, and it comes with an Amazon Linux AMI. So, to check if the ENA module is installed, we can write as follows. And here above, we can see in description that it is. This instance that has an Amazon Linux 2 AMI has the Elastic Network Adapter or ENA module enabled. Now, I'll type if 10fit-a. And at the beginning of the first line, we see the name of a network interface on this instance. So, we can type egah-tool-i-ins5. And the output of this command tells us if this instance has the ENA driver loaded. In this case, the driver confirms it. If an instance does not have the driver installed, here in driver it would say VIF. So, basically, any instance you launch in AWS with the operating systems I mentioned will have enhanced networking enabled, and you don't have to do anything else. So, as you have seen, this solution can be an excellent choice for use cases where you need to move large amounts of data across the network at high speed. Combined with other techniques such as location groups, enhanced networks can provide significant performance improvements for your instances.